Is America headed for more federal law enforcement and even military-style action on its own streets? President Trump has doubled down on promises to expand federal enforcement in U.S. cities. Chicago and other urban centers are already being mentioned as possible targets. Law enforcement officers, many in tactical gear, have been deployed to city streets as part of the federal response. Officials say their goal is to deter violence and protect federal property, but their presence has sparked controversy and concern among local leaders and residents. Supporters argue it's about restoring law and order, but critics warn this could erode civil liberties and inflame tensions between communities and government. The move is sparking viral debate across social media. Here's what you need to know. Across the country, demonstrations continue as people voice their opinions on the federal response. Social media is flooded with videos, photos, and passionate debates from all sides. As the situation unfolds, the nation watches closely, uncertain of what comes next. Do these actions strengthen security or threaten democracy? The nation is deeply divided. President Trump says the surge in federal enforcement is a response to rising crime rates and unrest in several cities. He argues that strong action is needed to protect citizens, restore order, and send a message that violence will not be tolerated. What do you think?